Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and before we start with today's video, make sure to click the little bell button and make sure to subscribe for more updates. And of course, today's video will be something brand new, and you guys will have a task to complete by giving me a challenge. So it can be any type of modern challenge on YouTube. If you guys are up for it, I can even do the challenge where you guys send me your original characters or any type of fan art, and I recreate it in my own style. I hope this seems like something that might be fun to do together, like a huge collab with you guys. I could pick out a few of your art pieces and just recreate them quickly in a medium that can be either digital or traditional. So make sure to tell me if you would like something of that sort. Also, if you guys have any special fantasies regarding me collabing with a certain YouTuber of this similar style, or maybe art YouTuber, don't be shy to ask me. I am always up for like new challenges. It can be even like using some unorthodox types of coloring or something like that. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for tutorials you desperately need, I will accept that as well. I will do my best to try and make additional content that's really useful for you guys, and of course totally free for you to use. So any suggestion, anything that you guys are struggling with or would like to see on my channel that will make you laugh or get you entertained, it's all up there. Just tell me and I'll be very happy to oblige. Also, check out my Twitch channel and subscribe to my Twitch channel, because I will be doing a lot more live drawing and chatting with you guys there. This piece in particular was also done by the same principle. You guys can just come up to my Twitch channel, we can chat, we can draw, and I can even give you like online lessons and tips and tricks and demonstrations and certain stuff. So make sure to subscribe to my Twitch channel, because I will be having a lot of live streaming soon. Like in June, I will continue doing my drawing all Pokemon in existence as well. So I will be doing a lot more fun stuff. I will be doing a lot more challenges, and I will just be having fun with you guys, like up close and personal, and just, you know, experimenting with the mediums, experimenting with social networks. And as I said in my previous video, I will not be giving up. I will try to spruce up my content. I will try to refresh everything I do. So make sure to give me all of your suggestions, ideas, tips, or whatever you think is useful for us to build this channel into something way more fun, way more new and refreshing, and just to help keep you on the edge of your seat, wanting more, just wanting to have more fun and more input in the stuff I do in the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave your comments down below and click a like on this video if you like the idea of having more fun together on this channel. See you guys next time! I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.